Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, I've got something incredible for you today for our beard series. I mean, seriously, Johnny Slicks is back in the shop with something friggin' awesome. I know it says pomade, but trust me, you're gonna want to see this. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. If you are a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. And for you long-time guys who have yet to do it, look down below. I think it's going to be right here in this corner. There's going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Hover over that thing, should bring you right to subscribe. Knock it out the way early, that way you can feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Alright, as you saw, we're going to take a look at Johnny Slicks Cinnamon Rolls Organic Pomade. Now I know. Hold on, back it up. I know you're going pomades for your hair. Why are you bringing this here for a beard? I'll get to that. Alright. Real quick background stuff about the guys. And Johnny, if you're watching this, brother, thank you so much for that comment you left me on the last video I did for you guys. If y'all wondering about that, look up top. I'm going to leave a card for every single beard care product we've brought to the channel. You're going to find it right in there. Now, when I filmed the first video, I didn't realize Johnny was a veteran as well. So this company is 100% veteran owned. Johnny and Nick Comolazzos, God, I hope I'm saying that right, a famous YouTuber, owned the company, and they both served in the United States Marine Corps. So Semper Fi, devil dogs. Now, proud to say this is made in the USA. I believe they are out of North Carolina. They pride themselves on 100% organic ingredients that are very, very safe for your body for everything that they use. Now, with all that wonderful stuff out of the way, all right, I saw something on Facebook, and they were advertising, pomades. And someone asked if you can use it as like a beard balm or a beard butter. And they had made mention that, yep, it is right at that borderline where it's just perfect for hair or your beard. And I went, bam, sold. Nothing huge. I mean, I've been using it for a little while now. Okay. It basically acts just like you would with any other butter or balm. You get your little bit out, scoop it out in your hand, rub it together, and then it emulsifies, and you just rub it right in your beard. Hold on a second. Hey, cuteness. Hold it down, trying to film a video. The cuteness factor is with us today, guys, so that's the background noise you're hearing. I hope it's not too bad, okay? And there goes. My heater's turned on. I'm in the Pacific Northwest, and we are in snowpocalypse. So, sorry, I'm not in the mood to freeze, so you're going to hear that rumbling going on. What really got me with this, it smells like cinnamon rolls. It really, truly does. Now, I'm going to bring this other beard oil to the channel later. If you pair it with their vanilla beard oil, man, a fat boy looking for a Cinnabon. I'm telling you what. I'm looking around my house going, what, where? Oh, seriously. It's got a cinnamon roll scent with notes of vanilla bean and caramelized sugar. It just, yeah. Now I'm hungry. Thanks, Johnny. It comes in basically a little 4-ounce glass can. Oh, not a can. Just give me a container. All right. As you saw, it's real simple. Go ahead and scoop it out. It's going to run you $14.99 on their web store, which is at johnnyslicks.com. I'm going to make sure to leave that down below. All right? In the description box. If I don't, remind me. I'll make sure it's down there, okay? Now, I know you guys are going, hey, what's in there? Well, there's the ingredients, but there you go. Hold on. Let's see if I got that on there. It's got beeswax, coconut oil, tea tree oil, argan oil, jojoba or jojoba, however you want to pronounce it, oil, and the fragrance, which is body safe, that gives you notes of vanilla, cinnamon, and caramelized sugar. It's all natural. It's healthy for your beard and everything else. I got to tell you honestly, I've been using it since I got it. That was like last week. It's got a light to medium hold. The scent is really not overpowering, but you can smell it and you're like, man, wow, this is great. This is awesome. I highly, 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 highly recommend it to get into your beard care routine. Because it's got stuff that is healthy for your skin and your beard. And you got to remember, everything in these products is also mainly designed for your skin that's underneath, because your body can only produce so much oil to produce healthy hair. Once it starts growing out, you need a little bit of help. And yeah, I'm getting a little bit of a bald spot all of a sudden, patchy. Yeah, whatever. I'll fix that later. Weird stuff you see when you're filming, right? Okay, so there's all the fun stuff about it. I know I seem really hyper on this one, because I kind of am, because I really truly love this one. I do. I'm glad I found them by accident, because seriously, I found them by a Facebook post that made me sit and go, why does this seem familiar? And when I saw Nick's face, I went, oh yeah, the YouTube video from a while ago when you got this stuff in. So I brought one of their oils, brought a pomade now. I'll give you a little secret. Got another pomade and 2 more oils that I'm bringing to the channel as well. And from what I understand, they have some seasonal stuff, so I'll be bringing those as well when I get them. I mean, honestly, guys, you've got a lifetime customer here. I'm very impressed with what you're doing. I need the support of brother-in-arms business, so you've got my money. Really, baby? Okay. So with all that wonderful stuff being said, I want to know what you guys think. I know it's kind of a hyper, kind of spastic overview. No, I haven't had too much caffeine. I need to work on that. Maybe it might level me out today, but it's a really, really great product. But I want to know what you think, especially if you've used Johnny Slicks before. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, man, right down below. You know I'm going to get back with you. You know we're going to have a fun conversation on it as well. I know, we're going to do the little wrap-up, okay? So, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, like I said in the beginning, thank you so much for finding my video. It means the world to me with all the millions of videos that are out there on YouTube. It makes me feel pretty good. Now, for you long-time viewers and you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, I think it's in that corner. Not sure, I think it's in that one. Going to be a big channel symbol popping up. Man, go ahead and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you have done that subscribe, please destroy the bell icon. Why? That's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up probably on that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, there you go. My really quick look at Johnny Slicks Organic Pomade Cinnamon Rolls. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you have a great day.